So we've seen how the echo statement works in our first script, but PHP also offers a print function that allows us to print strings and other information to the screen. So let's take a look at the main differences between the two. So an echo is a statement which is used to display an output. It can also be used with or without parentheses. An echo statement does not return any value, and we can pass multiple strings separated by a comma in echo. Echo statements are usually faster than print statements. Now, a print is also a statement and can be used as an alternative to echo at many different times to display an output. Print can be used with or without parentheses. Print function or statement always returns an integer value, which is 1. When we use print, we cannot pass multiple arguments, and print is also slower than an echo statement. PHP supports 10 primitive types. The different categories are scalar, compound, and special types. So we have 4 scalar types of type Boolean, integer, float, and string. 4 compound types of array, object, callable, and iterable. And finally, 2 special types of type resource and null. We're going to make a distinction between single and double quotes in PHP. So single quoted strings is the easiest way to define a string, and you can use it when you want the string to be exactly as it is written. All the escape sequences like \r or \n will be output as specified instead of having any special meaning. So even though single quote is usually faster than double quotes in some cases, you will only use it only if you want to display everything that is within that string. Okay, so the special case is that if you display a literal single quote, escape it with a \. And if you want to display a \, you can escape it with another \. So with our double quoted strings, PHP is forced to evaluate the whole string. And the main difference is that with double quotes, you can include variables directly within the string. PHP then interprets the escape sequences and these variables, and it will be replaced by the actual value. PHP, like any other programming language, allows us to use operators to achieve our goal. There are 5 basic arithmetic operators, and you can see them here in the table. We have our addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. We have logical operators, and the standard logical operators are AND, OR, and NOT, and XOR are also supported by PHP. So logical operators first convert their operands to Boolean values, and then they perform the respective comparison. So in this table, we can see a list of the logical operators that we have available to us. We also have comparison operators, and in PHP, comparison operators take simple values like numbers or strings as arguments. It then evaluates whether they are either true or false. And in this table, we see we have our equal, identical, not equal, not identical, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to operators.